Kwezintsuku zimbalwa zizayo, amagosa karhulumente azakuphuma iphulo engena umzi nomzi ehlola abantu ngentsholongwane yeCorona kulo lonke eli. Oku kubhengezwe nguMongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ngethuba ebesenza intetho yakhe ejoliswe kwisizwe siphela, nalapho becacisela abemi beli ngamanyathelo urhulumente azakuwathatha ukulwa le ntsholongwane. uMongameli bekwizakhiwo zomdibaniso ePitoli phezolo.
My fellow South Africans, we are now entering a new phase in the fight against the coronavirus pandemic. In the coming days, government will be rolling out a screening, testing, tracing, and medical management program on a huge scale. Around 10,000 field workers at the moment will be visiting homes in villages, in towns and cities to screen residents for the coronavirus symptoms. People with symptoms will be referred to local clinics or mobile clinics for testing. People who are infected with the coronavirus but who have no or moderate symptoms will remain in isolation at home or at a facility provided by government, and those with severe symptoms will be transferred to hospitals. Using mobile technology, an extensive tracing system will be rapidly deployed to trace those who have been in contact with confirmed coronavirus cases and to monitor the geographical location of new cases in real time. This drive is far-reaching, it is intensive, and it is unprecedented in scale.